Hello everyone, this is K. Hari Krishna. I'm studying BTech first year in CSE AML at SR University. Today I want to give a mini presentation about artificial intelligence in day-to-day life. Artificial intelligence AI has become an important part of our daily lives, changing the way we live, work, and communicate. It is no longer limited to advanced research or large companies. Instead, AI now plays a key role in our everyday routines, often without us even realizing it. One of the most common uses of AI is in smartphones. Features like voice assistants, Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa, and also facial recognition for unlocking phones and personalized apps suggestions are all powered by AI. The system learns from user behavior and provide quicker, more accurate response. Even autocorrected and predictive text we use while typing are example of AI making communication easier. AI is also improving the way we shop and watch entertainment. Online platforms like Amazon and Netflix use AI to study our choices and recommended products or movies that match our performance. Similarly, social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube use AI algorithm to show us posts and videos that we are mostly likely to enjoy, keeping our feeds personalized. In the field of healthcare, AI has made great progress. It helps doctor detect disease early through image and supports in diagnosis and even assistant in robotic surgeries. AI powered fitness app track our physical activity, monitor heart rates, and suggest personalized experience plans. AI also contributes to safety and transportation, and modern car uses AI for navigation and lane assistance and parking sensor also. Some advanced vehicles even have self-driving features that we use AI to analyze road condition and make driving decisions. In smart homes, AI helps manage lighting, temperature, and security systems automatically. In education, AI is helping students and teachers by offering personalized learning experiences. AI based tools and chatbots can answer student queries, translate languages and recommended study material study to each learner's space and interest. Even in workplaces, AI is improving productivity. It automates repetitive tasks like data entry and scheduling, allowing people to focus on more creative work. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming every aspect of our daily lives by making activities faster, smarter, and more convenient. From communication to healthcare, education to entertainment, AI continues to shape a future where technology and human life work hand in hand. Its influence will only grow, making our world more efficient and connected than ever before. Thank you.